So today we are going to cover a case when. So as ma'am, do you if remember like in a Python we did a if else statement. If condition, then after that whatever is pending we put in a else. If a main condition, then rest in the else condition. So like if we say only those people can vote whose age is greater than 18 years, okay, and who are 18 years old. So that means we are putting if age is greater than 18, then what is the answer? Then they can vote, else they can't vote. Okay, so we put a condition in the if. Similar, when we want to do these type of conditional logic in case of a SQL, we use the concept of case when. So case when is a SQL condition logic, the equivalent of the if else in a programming. It evaluates the conditions row by row. One thing is you always remember some things we apply on a row by row basis, like where clause work row by row. So they check first row, then go to second, third row. Okay, and then where we use when we want to creating a derived or categorized column. So there is like a date of birth is already written. Now I want to know the age of a person. So if I ask you normally, ma'am, what is your age? So how you start calculating a age by counting from the date of birth. We always
Yes,
count our date of birth. Then we start,
yes,
okay. So this is called a derived column. What is derived column? We have some main column from where we calculate the new column. So our main column is the date of birth, and after that, from that we find out some new column that is called derived column. Then is comma when we have a conditional aggregation. So we count something and we want to apply a condition. Then bucketing data into a ranges, we put the limits on the data, replacing values dynamically. Okay, so these are some ways when we can use. So firstly, let's come to how we will write our syntax, ma'am. So if you are able to see, I just, sorry, today I don't have my pen with you. Otherwise, I will highlight the things. Okay. So now, if you ma'am look at the other portion of the screen, so it is written select name comma age, then case when age is less than 18, then minor when age between 18 and my goodness. When age is between 18 and 16, then adult, else it is a senior and else. So what is the main thing here? We write a select statement, ma'am, as it is. Instead of asterisk symbol, we put a column name. Okay, so you put here a two column name and age. After that, from basic command, select name, age from students. It is a normal command if you see the first and last line of a code. Yes, ma'am.
yes,
So this normally you understand what is this, huh? But if I say to you, now you have to find something extra, some new column. So what you did, you put a case study. So when you start a case, you will also end it. So the syntax you can see is from the second line, case when age is less than 18, then when, how the syntax will come, case, then when, whatever the column where you want to put a condition. So here is the age column, you put a condition, then what will print, minor. Then next is next condition you put when age between 18 and 60, then adult. So whenever you want to print, you have to write then, and whatever you want to print, put in a single quote. Similar else, then you put whatever rest is, the people who are 18, less than 18, or between that, those are, you already mentioned, minor and adult. Whatever rest, they are come in the senior category. So whatever the rest is the criteria, we put in a else, then we end the case. So how we are going to represent this as a new column? So we always give a name by using a as keyword. So we put a as, then it is a age group. So if you come to a bottom, conditional aggregations, when we have a more than one condition. So again, ma'am, select, then first and last, see, this is a normal select statement. Select from customers. Normal select statement. Now we want to create something new. What we will did here, So we use a count case when city equal to Mumbai, then one and as Mumbai count second. Here we are actually, this count is a mem function. Inside of the function, that means aggregation function, we are using a conditional statement. Then again, inside a count, you put a case when city equal to Delhi, then one as a Delhi count. Now, ma'am, what you can do, open your compiler. I will send you a one query on the previous table where you have to implement the things.
Okay, ma'am. I'm just restarting my laptop.
Ha, ma'am. Just start on your laptop because on phone it will not possible as we discussed last time.
Yes. मैम व्हाट्सएप साइन अप हो रहा है 2 मिनट वेट कीजिएगा मैम
Oh, no problem, ma'am. Ma'am, just let me know after opening, you have the previous
हाँ
table that we use orders. If you don't, I will send you a table syntax so that you immediately implement.
ओके प्लीज सेंड द सिंटेक्स
Okay, you don't have that one?
नो मैम लास्ट टाइम का तो वो कहीं पर सेव नहीं किया मैंने
Ma'am,
इस
always
बार
save that.
ओके
Always
मैं
save file because if you next time practice now, you have a
हाँ
table with you where you can practice. Okay, the query is what you want to practice.
ओके तो मैं इस टाइम नोटपैड पे सेव करती हूँ
Yes,
ओके
or even the words you can whatever the platform you feel easy.
ओके
Am I shared with you? Okay, while you will open, after opening, please start running that code.
Yes, ma'am.
Done, ma'am. Can I share a case study, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Hello, Ankur sir. Hello, sir. Are you able to listen to me?
Yes, ma'am. Hello, ma'am. Hello, is I am audible?
Have used, we are going to use the same table. If you also don't have the syntax for that, please write the syntax I have sent. You create and case when is used basically to put a conditions and create some new derived column. And just a second, I will share you a one case with you guys that you have to implement.
यस मैम, आपने सिंटेक्स भेजे।
Yes, Ankur sir, also I think you have done. I am sharing, ma'am, the second thing. Now, this is a first case. Okay,
मैम
this is a
एक बार
first
आप वो
case that you
सिंटेक्स
guys
फिर
have
से
to
भेज
create.
दीजिए। अभी जस्ट ज्वाइन हुआ ना
हाँ,
लैपटॉप पे, तो वहां पर सिंटेक्स शो नहीं कर रहा है।
क्या which one, ma'am? Table creation.
दैट, यस, फर्स्ट वन।
हेलो मैम।
Yes, yes, sir.
मैम वो आप वहाँ वो टेबल वाला सिंटेक्स भेज दो ना।
I just sent, sir, again. Please check.
ओके।
I request you guys save this table. We will perform all the queries so that it is easy for every time. So I have sent. Please first create a table, and to look at the tables every content what you will use.